You say hi?
Papa.
Alright. So do you want to go back outside and play with the squirter? Do you like the squirter? The purple
Papa.
What are you going to do with it? You going to water the plants or spray your sister? What do you think?
Car.
You're going to spray the car? What do you want to do?
Red car.
You want to spray the car?
Red car.
Your red car? You want to spray your red car?
Or
Who's that? Who's that? Who is this?
Pepper.
Hey, that's a bear. Yeah. He's a nice bear. What else do you see on the table? You like the clock. You got a clock and a sock. You got the clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock. That's what those clocks do. The clock and the sock go together. What else is on the table? Do you see a bee? The bee in the tree. Yeah. There's the bee. What else do you see? Where's the fan? Where's the fan picture? Did we take it downstairs? I think we took it downstairs last night. Shall we go look? Where is the fan? Where is that picture? Where's the fan? That's our black fan. Should we go find the gray fan? Should we go downstairs? Look, there's the fan. You say, wake up. Is that what happens when the alarm clock rings? We have to wake up? Wake up. Wake up. I say, wake up, Samantha. Wake up, Samantha. Yeah. Yeah, Samantha likes to sleep. We have to tell her to wake up, Samantha. Wake up. Yeah. Ding, 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 ding. The alarm's going off. Ding, 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 ding. Time to wake up.
1, 2.
Yeah. Yeah.
3,
2. Yeah. The brown clock is in the closet? Yeah. Oh, there it is. Oh, yes, Samantha left the closet door open. Oh. You okay?